I know, but when it freezes, it's not a whole 100% frozen. Evelyn, what happened?
We got like 5 inches of rain yesterday, and it rained all today, and it's still kind of raining.
Yeah, and we got more rain coming, but it's supposed to be a total of 6 inches of rain.
I looked and saw from the radar that there's like 20 billion miles of rain coming to us.
Yeah, that's a lot of rain. So we wanted to come over here. Maybe not 20 billion. Whoa. We wanted to come and see what the river looked like. So it's September 22nd, just so everyone knows.
Look at the ducks, can't even sit there.
I know. We don't want to disturb the ducks. I know Hunter does. Hunter wants to go in the water.
All those ducks.
Holy cow, look at all them white ducks.
Whoa, look at the bridge.
Ooh, let's look at the bridge. What's happening with the bridge?
Oh my gosh. You can't even get under there.
Whoa, imagine if you inner tube, you get stuck. Hunter.
No. He wants to go in there.
I know, we can't.
back
He'll get
now?
taken away. He wouldn't know what to do.
Of the light brown duck that's new.
Oh yeah, where's that light brown duck?
I don't know.
There's one duck out of that whole pond. He's not there.
Municipal park will be closed Monday, September 27th for park repairs.
Oh really?
For path repairs.
Ooh.
You're about to step in the puddle. Don't back any further. Go. One more step and then you're
We're
dead.
dead. So look at this. Artist is
actually,
Aaron Eiler?
Aaron, wait, no, I might see you.
That's a cool little picture. Pretty nice. Are there more of these everywhere?
They're gonna redo the bridge.
Oh, you think so?
Yes. Because there's this path, so they're probably gonna redo the bridge.
Down there, Paul can go tubing. Woo-wee. All right, so next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the park is closed. What? Oh, ooh. There he goes. Oh.
That was scary.
He knew what he was doing.
I think it's
She. All right, so the park's gonna be closed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. And we're gonna come back and see what they did. Which way, left or right? Uh-oh.